Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trish. If it's your first time here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what videos you'd love to see me do next. I am so excited for you guys to see how I got this makeup look. Of course, I had no idea what I wanted to do, so I just kind of wing it, and this is what I came up with. So if you want to see how I get this look, then please keep on watching. So to start things off, I am just gonna outline my brows, and for my brows I'm actually using a pomade today, which is surprising. I'm always using a pencil, but today I decided to go with a pomade and an angled brush. So I am using my E.L.F brow pomade in the shade Espresso and an angled brush. I outline my brows, fill them in, and now I am just cleaning up my brows. And for that I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And then I'm going to take my E.L.F Wow Brow Gel just to set my brows in place. Once I got that done, I went ahead and blend that concealer out around my brows just to clean them up and make them look nice and clean with a fluffy brush. And for the shadow today, I decided to use my my James Charles and Morphe palette. I wanted to do kind of a cotton candy look, so I started with the pink and then I added some blue. And I placed those shadows in the shape that I wanted for my cut crease. And then once I put those shadows down, I just went ahead and cut my crease with a small flat brush and my concealer from Juvia's Place. I like to use my E.L.F Hydrating Camo Concealer, but I actually ran out and I thought I had an extra one, which I didn't, which is surprising because I always have a backup. So definitely gotta go pick some of that up. But anyways, I'm just cutting my crease and then I am gonna go ahead and clean that up. I'm just taking a makeup wipe just to remove all that excess shadow and concealer that I had on my lid, and then I'm gonna go back and redefine that cut crease with the last bit of my E.L.F Hydrating Camo Concealer. So I'm just recutting the crease just to make it nice and sharp. Now I'm just priming the rest of my lid with the excess concealer from that brush. And once I got all that concealer onto my lid, of course I am gonna have to blend it out. So I'm taking that same fluffy brush I used before just to blend and remove any excess concealer that I might have in there, just to have a nice blank canvas before I go in and start adding anything else. And now I'm just adding this really pretty silver shimmer shade from the Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette, that collab they did with Saweetie. Yes, I am just taking that shimmer shade right into the center, and then I'm gonna go back and add those same pink and blue shadow onto my lid in kind of a wing. Now I'm just using the rest of whatever concealer is left on that brush just to clean up the outer corner of that shadow. And then what I'm doing now is taking my lash glue, which is my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and I am placing little dots of glue right above where I did that cut crease, and then I am just adding some glitter right above that. I don't know, I felt like the look kind of needed something, so I kind of just popped these little tiny star-like stickers there. And then I am just adding a small wing just so that I have somewhere to put my lashes. I don't know, I don't like wearing lashes without a wing, so I did my wing. I tight lined my lash line just so we don't have any clear spots peeking through my lashes and the falsies. Yeah, curl my lashes, pop some falsies on, and now we are gonna move on to the rest of the face. Of course, I went ahead and did the other eye off camera so that we can skip ahead, and now I am just priming my skin. And today I wanted to use my E.L.F Luminous Putty Primer. So I'm just placing that on my skin and blending it in with my hand. As usual for foundation, I am using my Nars Natural Radiant Long Wearing Foundation, and this is in the shade Caracus. I'm just blending that into my skin using my E.L.F. Total Face Sponge. I am so obsessed with this sponge. It literally blends your foundation out so well. Like, it's flawless. Like, it makes your skin look flawless. But anyways, I'm just adding some concealer now to the places of my face that I want highlighted, such as my under eye, my forehead, nose, etc, etc. You've seen me do this 100 times. But yeah, I'm taking that same sponge, blending the concealer out, and of course I gotta set that in place. And for that I use my Marcel Luminous Translucent Powder and just a Real Techniques brush just to set that concealer in place. Now I'm setting the rest of my face using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 355 Coconut. I did a light bit of contour as well with my Black Radiance True Complexion palette just to add some warmth back to my face. I'm just using that same sponge and my Fit Me powder just to kind of carve out my contour. And for blush today, I actually used the E.L.F. Bite Size palette, and I'm using the blush in the shade Pomegranate. And I'm just kind of going over and blending everything together just to kind of even out everything so that it's all blended. I set my face using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray right before doing a tiny bit of nose contour. We're almost done, and now I'm just finishing off the eyes, and I'm just adding a bit of black liner to my bottom lash line, and then I'm gonna go back in and add those same colors that I used prior onto my lash line and just blending them out using a small pencil brush. Once I got that done, of course I gotta add some mascara. I did both my bottom and top lashes, and then I just kind of popped on another little glitter right at the outer edge of that lash. Now it's time for the lips, and this is honestly like my favorite part of the makeup because I know once I get here then I am done. So I'm just lining my lips using Nutmeg from NYX as usual, and then I'm gonna add a bit of Forever, which is my Revlon Ultra HD Matte Liquid Lipstick, and then I just add a tiny bit of gloss to my lips, and there you have it, you guys. That's our look. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.